So just making a quick video to show you how high up off the horizon the moon and the sun are and how to measure that. You could have a sextant, but nobody has sextants these days. So we just use your fist. So there's the horizon line. It's not a great horizon because there's a house there, but let's say the horizon is there. One fist is every 10 degrees. So there's 10 degrees, that's 20 degrees, 30 degrees, etc. I'm measuring all the way up. So I can tell you right now, if I look at my moon here, which is just above this house and between the lowest cloud you see there. I'm gonna try and zoom in on the moon there. So this is a 20% moon. And so she is, it's hard to see without a proper horizon, but she's about 30 degrees up off the horizon. Okay, and then my sun, so it's pretty high, almost right above me, but not quite. So there's my sun. I would say about 60 degrees up off the horizon, and 90 degrees straight above is there. So 60 degree up off the horizon sun. I've got both of them in the same shot here. You can see how close the sun and the moon are. You might not be able to see the moon in this shot because the sun is pretty bright. It makes it hard to see the moon. But there you go. So 30 degree up off the horizon moon from there. And then probably about 60 degrees. I'm very experienced at figuring out degrees now. It's easy for me with the fist method. I don't have a sextant, but that's how I measure. Look at your horizon. So here I have a better horizon through the bushes there and out to you can see the city line there through there. That's the proper horizon. So if I hold out my fist at the horizon, 1, 20, 30, 40, you get the gist. Straight above you is 90. Obviously out of the horizon is 0 and everything in between.
Research flat